So now noneho reka turebere hamwe igice cya kane kivuga ngo JavaScript vs Java, just the difference between Java and JavaScript. Icyo twamaze kubona nuko they are not the same, kandi twabonye nuko JavaScript yiswe JavaScript ariko biri based on Java. So now let's see now how it comes. So this is the one of the most common misconception beginners have. Nukuvuga ngo ibi ni ibintu aba beginners benshi bitiranye. Despite the similar name, JavaScript and Java are completely different languages like car and carpet. So nukuvuga ngo JavaScript na Java are very very different. So naho bihuriye nta nahamwe. Now the name JavaScript was a marketing decision in 1995. So twabonye ko JavaScript itatangiye yitwa Java kugira ngo yitwe JavaScript, ahubwo nuko bagendeye kuri marketing, bagendeye ukuntu ukuntu Java yari imeze kigiye. So Java was the hot language of the moment. Nukuvuga ngo icyo gihe Java niyo yari programming language iri top, ikunzwe kandi ikoreshwa cyane. So Netscape used a similar name to attract developers. So nukuvuga ngo Netscape yakoresheje similar name, izina rya gusa n'irya Java kugira ngo bakurure aba developers. So now reka turebe noneho some different. JavaScript was created in 1995 by Brendan H. and Java was created in 1995 by James Gosling. Ariko gusa nukuvuga ngo iyi Java yo yari popular cyane, yari ikunzwe cyane kubera ko zari zifite icyo twita vision and target itandukanye. Mission was very very different. Ikindi JavaScript twabonye ko yabaye created in 10 days, mu gihe Java yo yari yabaye created guhera mu 1990 kugeza mu 1995. So main purpose or main use was web front-end and back-end. Mu gihe iyo twita Java main use was enterprise Android APIs using Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine inaho system yawe ushobora kuyikora ikaraningira kuri Android cyangwa se iOS, Mac iOS, Linux ndetse n'izindi operating system. So ikindi typing dynamic flexible, mu gihe Java mu gihe Java ni static, mu gihe style dukoresha prototype based object oriented programming language, mu gihe hano dukoresha class based object oriented programming language. File extension hamwe dukoresha .js and tugakoresha .java, mu gihe learning curve cyangwa se uko wabyiga beginner friendly, more structured and strict. None common tools cyangwa se tools zikoreshwa muri zi programming language. Muri JavaScript dukoresha icyo twita React, Node, Vue, Angular ndetse n'izindi, mu gihe muri Java dukoresha iyo twita Spring Boot, Hibernate and Maven. So now saying JavaScript is Java is like saying Austria is Australia, which is they have look like similar names, but they are honestly completely different things. So now umenye ko Java is very very different from JavaScript. So now I think ko umaze kumenya different between Java and JavaScript, ko zabayeho ibyo zikora ko binatandukanye.